Well, the sun gray, we gon' shine. Let's bounty party.
Welcome back to my channel, Glass House Maya. No Nobody Flyer. Y'all, I wish I could show y'all my outfit. I'm gonna put it somewhere in the video. But yeah, it's another day. It's Tuesday. It's 11/1, all right, 2022. And I'm just in my car waiting on some dashes, but I'm feeling this hair today. Okay, I'm feeling this whole outfit. So I got on like this. It's kind of cool. I was about 60s. In the 60s. Ain't no sunshine. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sun shining. I got on my necklaces that I made. Alright, you can find that in the link in the description. This is a aventurine, great for like wealth, prosperity, love, anything associated with your heart chakra, as well as anything associated with the color green, like I said, abundance, wealth, all of those things. But anyways, yeah, I'm just out here, okay? And I just got on like a bodysuit, because it wasn't that cold. And I got on this corduroy like jacket. It's not really a heavyweight jacket. It's kind of like a shirt jacket. It's color block, green, yellow, and black. Just got on some jeans and some black chucks, but you'll see when I post it. But anyways, I'm thinking about doing a box opening because I ordered some more Dossier perfume. Dossier. Alright, I'm gonna need y'all to hook a girl up because I've been buying a lot, okay? And this, I think, my third order that I bought. So I'm just trying some new scents. I also been getting a lot of compliments when I wear Woody Sandalwood, which is that woodsy scent. If you haven't seen that video, go back and watch that Dossier perfume / cologne video. The Woody Sandalwood, I do wear that one a lot, and I tend to mix it with the other one that I recently had got, because I really don't like those floral, like flowery scents. And it kind of smells like honeysuckle to me, even though it doesn't have anything on there in the notes on the bottle. It says nothing about honeysuckle. It has like jasmine. But I tried to like tone down those flowery scents with like that hard like wood scent, and people been loving it. Like everywhere I go, people be like, what is that smell? Oh, you smell good and all of that. I'm like, thank you. Thank you, I know. But yeah, so been getting a lot of compliments on that. So I will refill on the ones I like, which would be the Woody Sandalwood, which is a unisex, so it's men and women's, and then the aromatic pineapple, which is a men's scent. But man, that one just smells so good to me. So I will probably repurchase those two. Somebody was passing by, and I'm trying to get used to not like staring at people when they pass by and all of that. But anyways, or people staring at me like wondering what the heck I'm doing in this car. But anyways, I really don't care. So yeah, I'm gonna re-up on those two. But I bought, how many did I buy? I think I bought 3 new scents, but it'll be added to this video somewhere. So I'm gonna go grab, I think I'm gonna go do something else real quick, and you'll see me again when I pop back up. All right. Hey, I'm back. So here's what I got on. So y'all seen this jacket, corduroy, got the color block with the yellow and the green, black in the back. All right. Boom. I got on this. I bought this, I think, at City Trends a while back. It's just a bodysuit. I don't have it snapped, but it is a bodysuit. And then I just have on some jeans and my black chucks. So let's go open some packages. We got a box. Hey, Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. All right, so I got my little, y'all don't come at me for these nails. I'm gonna get them redone. But I got this little cloud. Put a little keychain on and carry it with you. But it's just a little box opener. So we gonna cut this open. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Hold on. So y'all can see. There you go. Yeah, put that on the side over there. It's in the dossier. See it. Let me get this in case it got some information on the pack and slip. Alright, so I got 1, 2, 3. Put that on there. We don't need none of that. Alright, let's see what this one is. I'm not going to smell it. I'm going to do that for another video. This one is Aquatic Lime and it is inspired by Giorgio Armani. Aquatic Lime. Because I do like lime scents. Okay, this box. Okay, what happened here? Get it together. This is Gourmand Patchouli. And let me see which one is inspired by. I don't remember. This one, Gourmand Patchouli, is inspired by Thierry Mugler. I don't know what that is. Somebody in the comments tell me what that is. But anyways, it has mandarin, berries, passion fruits. So that should be an interesting smell. Patchouli. And then the final one that I got, this is Citrus Green Apple. And this is the one I'm most excited about because I think I'm going to love this because I like apple scented perfumes and cologne. So this is Dolce & Gabbana inspired by, come on camera, light blue for women. All right, Dolce & Gabbana. Dolce. Green apple, lime. I don't know what that is. Jasmine, rose, and musk and cedarwood. See, I think it's gonna be right. So I'm not even gonna smell those perfumes like right now. I'm gonna save that for another video so you can get my honest first reaction, just like I did in the last one. If you haven't watched that, go back and watch that video. But yeah, I think just by looking at like what's on this citrus green apple card, I just hope it smells as good as it sounds, okay? But anyways, I actually got to go pick up my groceries. I'm not doing that till later. I think I'm about to chill for a minute, and that ain't nothing y'all really want to see, because all I'm going to do is probably like sit down, watch a couple of YouTube videos, sit in front of my computer, check off some tasks that I completed today, and yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to do. If you want to see, I got a new computer. Okay, let me show y'all my computer. Hold on, let me show y'all my computer. Let me get some light up in here. Got the lights off. Okay, so let me show y'all my computer. So I did finally, after how many years of not having a computer and using my iPad for everything. Like, my iPad is still my computer. But I finally bought a computer. This is a Lenovo. Yeah. Let me turn it on for y'all so you can see. Boom, there it is. Yeah. Nice size screen. And then I ordered this keyboard off of Amazon. And I like the round keys. It has a nice, like, soft sound to it. It's not too loud when you're typing. And then a mouse to match. But I like the colors on this keyboard. And my computer has, like, this gold, like, detailing on the back. So I decided to go with, like, a brown and tan mouse. And then I just took my mat from my other desk, my Pac-Man mat, and brought it in here and put it in here until I find a different setup. But for right now, this is where, let me turn it off. Yeah, so right now this is where it's gonna be, like in this space. It is actually like covering up some of my stuff that I use, but I'm looking forward to like recording and editing on here. And hold on, let me turn y'all around. Y'all probably tired of looking at that. Yeah, so I am looking forward to recording on there and editing on there and doing a bunch of things that I'm not able to do with just my iPad. You know, I've been doing it, you know. I've been doing it, but this is gonna allow me to connect more things to it easily, and to do like if I want to do like a split screen or reactions easier, I probably can do that more easier with a computer, a desktop, or a laptop, or whatever, you know what I'm saying, and just get it done in a more effective way than trying to find things to hook up to my iPad. All right, so I specifically want to use that iPad for what I bought it for 5 years ago. Okay, I've had it for 5 years, and it's still holding on strong, for digital art and graphic design and things like that, which is what I technically use it for most of the time anyways. But yeah, so that's pretty much, you know, new. I didn't show y'all the unboxing of the computer because I don't be thinking about that stuff, or the mouse, because I got the mouse and the thing from Amazon, the mouse and the keyboard. But yeah, I'm back in here. So yeah, I'm just about to go chill until it's time for me to go to Walmart. May turn the thing back on once I get in the car, but I probably won't. This will probably like conclude this video, unless I pick it back up later on tomorrow or the next day or whatever. But so it's another morning, and I'm really just aiming for comfort today. So I have on my Ice Cube shirt here, some jeans, and just my red Chucks. Look at those. I need to go wipe that off, whatever that is. But yeah, just some jeans and my Ice Cube shirt. Get a little bit closer there. But yeah, so about to move around in a minute. Think about making, well, let me turn this the other way. Let me just do the outfit. But yeah, nothing real major today, just casual, and this furry jacket that I got last year from Walmart. Y'all excuse my voice, I just got up, and well, I didn't just get up, I've been up probably for like a couple of hours, but still got that morning sleep voice. But yeah, so yeah. So today I'm going to get out here and soak up some of this sunshine. All right, get you some vitamin D. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to do. Probably going to eventually, like, if I do them myself, I'll record like a video of me redoing my nails. If I don't do them myself and go to the nail salon, then you won't see any of this. But save myself some ends by doing it myself, because they have grown out quite a bit. But yeah, they looking a little raggedy to me, and I'm about ready to take them off. So I might show that process in a video, and then, you know, comment down below what color you think I should go with. Like, I don't really do like color. Like, I'll do like white or natural colors or yellow. Like, that's as extravagant as I really get when it comes to nails, because I never really, like, I don't know, when I put color polish on my nails, I immediately want to take it off. So I'm thinking like a blue, maybe. I'm thinking like matte finish instead of gloss. So, you know, drop something in the comment, give me an idea or something like that. You know, I got my Pinterest board. And I love like looking at other people's nails, but then when it gets on my hands, it's like, do it. But anyways, yeah, so that can be a later video. But yeah, I think I'm about to get something to eat. Banana or something like that, just to start me off. All right, get something in there. And I don't have nothing on the board to do today but to just record. So I'm gonna try and record almost everything that I can record that I want to post. All right, so y'all let me know how your day's been going in the comments. And just have a wonderful day today. Get out there, get some sunshine, get some fresh air, breathe in some fresh air, fam. Don't be stuck inside all day. Just step outside. Okay? Don't be inside all day. Yeah, so I'm about to go out. Try not to spend money while I'm out. A leaf just hit the window when I said that. Yeah, try not to spend too much money when I'm out because I be looking for stuff to buy. So anyways, let me get off here. So now I'm gonna finish off the night and just show y'all.
How do you spell here?
H-E-R-E, here. This is the video that you're gonna see here. And this is just the program. H-E-R-E is Clip Champ. This is new. I don't know really how to use this. But yeah. So this is what you just watched. Okay, there we go. That's my video. Welcome back to my channel, Glass House Maya. You know nobody. So yeah, these are like programs that I'm learning. I'm recording. Can you not do that? In my car. That's where I'm at. And this is the program I'm learning and editing on my computer for right now. I was gonna use Power Director. I do have Power Director on it, and I do know how to use that one. But I seen this one already on here, so I was gonna try it out. But yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification so that you can be notified when I upload another video. Hit that like button. Comment down below. Likes help the channel. It helps the channel grow. Thank you for watching, and peace.
Got me feeling like it's Sunday evening. Sun going down, but ain't nobody leaving. And you see it.